Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update the Regions Bank application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, if your application is not working as properly as it is supposed to, then this is probably because it has not been updated to the latest version. In order to fix this, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device, and then tap on the search box and then type in Regions Bank and start your search. Once you find the application, if you see an update button instead of open, then you will need to tap on it to install the latest updates. Just tap on this button and wait for a while until all of the updates is completed, until the installation and download is completed. And once the update is done, you will see the open button once again. Go ahead and tap on the open button, and now the application will open up and you will be able to use it without any hassle. And now all of the bugs will also be fixed. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to update the Regions Bank application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.